Buying a PS5 in 2024 might have been the biggest mistake you and I have done in my life, guys, because Sony has just launched their Pro edition of the PS5 console. Calm down, Vimal, calm down. You were destined to waste money. There is nothing you can do. Anyways, what is happening, guys? Vimal here. Welcome back to my channel. I have an excellent news to share with you all, especially for all the gamers out there who've been really waiting for this news. It is official, guys. Sony has finally launched the much awaited PS5 Pro Edition gaming console. And as I've told you, this thing is like literally the next gen console. Like, how many years has it been? PS5 was launched 3 or 4 years back, right? It's been almost 4 years, and finally the worthy upgrade has come over. And I'm telling you, right, this thing packs like a really next gen GPU from AMD. So first of all, let me tell you the main specs. So this year's PS5 Pro Edition console is all about the GPU upgrade, guys. So today in this video, I'll be sharing all the details you might be looking for, including the hardware configuration, what exactly is new on the Pro Edition console, and also the pricing details that you're going to get in the Indian market. And once you listen to the pricing details, right, I'm pretty sure you will be like really shocked. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, let me tell you about the design, guys. So as soon as I saw the reveal trailer like, I was actually kind of awestruck because the design is like pretty similar to the already existing PS5. I thought they might do a little bit of tweaks, something like that, but only thing I can see is they've added like a vented design to the sides, and that is pretty much it. If you ask about the size as well, right, PS5 Pro is like very much identical to the already existing PS5. If you actually compare it to the Slim edition, yes, it is slightly a bit larger, but still compared to the original model, I feel that the newer Pro edition is actually much more sleeker, guys. This time with the PS5 Pro edition console, right, you're getting a DualSense wireless controller included, plus a free game is also there, Astro's Playroom, that comes pre-installed on all the PS5 Pro edition consoles, and you do not get any vertical stand included in the package. That is again being sold separately by Sony. Like, seriously, Sony, you guys are being like very conjuice, man. When we are spending that huge amount of money, you can't even include like a base plastic stand with the console. What is wrong with you guys? Anyways, moving on, let me tell you about the main tech spec upgrades you're getting over here. So this year's PS5 Pro, as I've told you, is all about the incremental GPU upgrade, guys. Talking about the CPU, you're getting the same CPU that you already have on the existing PS5. There is no upgrade over here. Even if you look at the SSD as well, right, same SSD that offers same speed, so no upgrade here also. But now comes the major upgrade you people have been waiting for, a brand new upgraded GPU, guys. And Sony is saying that this new GPU has 67% more compute units than the already existing GPU in the current PS5. So this also combined with like a much faster memory that is almost up to like 28% faster, guys. So totally, if you add up all of this, right, overall you can see nearly up to like 45% more powerful GPU, guys. Now this is definitely a huge upgrade, guys, especially if you want to play games at 4K 60 FPS, right? Now you don't need to compromise any sort of graphics, because this PS5 Pro will offer you maximum graphics at the same time offering you like a buttery smooth 60 FPS at 4K resolution. This has been like a great dream for all the console gamers out there who are literally comparing their games with the PC gamers. And not just this, the brand new PS5 Pro also offers like advanced ray tracing support. So games are gonna look much more dynamic and realistic than before, guys. So what happens is this advanced ray tracing allows the light rays to be casted 2 to 3 times much faster than the current speeds of the PS5, guys. So this definitely offers like much more improved graphic performance. Again, though, this is something Sony is saying, but still, how does it actually perform in practical world? I don't know. I'll have to get my hands on the PS5 Pro and then only compare it with my existing PS5, and we'll have to visually see what sort of graphical improvements we're gonna get in the same game. This is something like a very interesting test, guys. We'll definitely do once the PS5 Pro hits the Indian market. And not just the ray tracing, you're also getting something known as AI driven upscaling as well in games. So up until now you saw Nvidia's DLSS, and then came AMD's FSR technology, and now in consoles also you are getting like AI driven upscaling for games. So this is called as Sony's PlayStation Spectral Super Resolution. So as I've told you guys, it's an AI upscaling technology that basically uses like machine learning based technology to provide like super sharp image clarity by adding like extra amount of detail, guys, all using AI. One fun fact I can definitely tell you is the kind of features that AMD is offering for these GPUs on the PS5 Pro, right? You might have not seen these features on even AMD's newest GPUs as well, currently available in the market. So this is something being offered exclusive to Sony's PS5 Pro consoles, guys. I'm like very curious to see when AMD will actually bring these sort of capabilities to our already existing GPUs, or maybe they might launch like new range of GPUs. very soon. You'll have to stay tuned for that. Okay, I think the only thing that is left to add to this console generation is frame generation technology, which is like exclusive to all the PC gamers out there, where you can get like greatly improved frame rates without actually doing a simply enabling a small options can almost like double or triple your frame rate depending on the current resolution. Anyways, this is what you can expect, like what is new on the brand new PS5 Pro edition console. And not just this, let me also tell you that PS5 Pro also comes with like different game modes as well. 3 new modes, I believe. Now I don't exactly know the game modes because we still haven't got the console in our hands, right? What I've heard is there is a new mode called as Pro mode that offers for all the games to be run at 4K 60 FPS without actually losing out on the graphics. One more mode is also there called as Game Boost that will allow all the older generation games, maybe like PS4 or PS4 Pro games are there, right, to be played on the PS5 Pro with like much improved resolution and also graphical upgrades, guys. So this is something I'm like pretty excited to see. Like imagine playing God of War 3 or maybe like God of War Ascension on PS5 Pro with improved 8K graphics or something like that. That would be crazy, right? So that is pretty much it, guys. These are all the main upgrades and new features you can expect on the PS5 Pro, which will be hitting the market very soon. Apart from this, one more thing that I've observed is storage capacity improvement, guys. Previously you used to have like very limited, less than 1 TB capacity, right? Now on the Pro edition console you're getting 2 TB SSD storage capacity, guys. But on the downside, this console is only available in a diskless edition. That means you don't get that optical disk drive included with the console. You'll have to buy that also separately, guys. Like how the Slim edition comes without the optical disk drive, right? You'll have to buy an external accessory for that, and that is like pretty expensive, guys. I mean almost like $80 is what I can say. Plus, as I've told you, in the package you're not even getting like that included vertical stand plastic piece is also like $30 accessory. You'll have to buy that separately. And now let me tell you the main price of this thing, which I was like really kind of awestruck and a little bit disappointed on the inside, because PS5 Pro is like very expensive, guys. So in the US market, only the console without these accessories is going to cost you around like $700. So if you actually convert that to Indian currency for the Indian market, it's gonna cost you like 60 to 65,000 rupees for a gaming console. Now say suppose you already have your old CDs, PS5 games, you'll need to buy that optical disk drive also separately, which is again $80. Plus I'm pretty sure everybody uses this PS5 Pro console in the vertical mode only. So buy that stand also, again $110 if you add that rate. Totally you will be spending almost like 70 to 75,000 on a gaming console. Are you kidding me? Where was 35,000 rupees PS5 and where is 75,000 Pro edition console? It is almost double the price. If you add a little bit more, right, you can actually make like an excellent gaming PC only. Now that really makes me in a confusion state. Would you really spend 75,000 rupees on a gaming console, or would you save up a little bit more on build like a powerful gaming PC, guys? Now you should only let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, this is what I wanted to share with you all in this video, guys. I'm really curious to read all your comments, so definitely share your thoughts as well in this video. If you all enjoyed watching it and got all the details you're looking for, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome content. And I'll see you all in my next one.